front of me is this stick mixer set designed in Switzerland. This all-rounder gives you 3 appliances in one: a stick mixer, a hand mixer, and a chopper. The stick mixer features a revolutionary speed regulator. No cascade, but variable speed, which allows you to regulate the speed very precisely. And the harder you press, the more power you get. So, no more flying ingredients and always the right RPM. The stick mixer features a powerful 500-watt motor, and the soft plastic handle offers a stable, comfortable grip. The design of the head of the stick mixer prevents splashing. The stick mixer can be placed in the stand while using it to prevent making a mess in the kitchen, and also convenient for storage. And after use, just pop the detachable parts in the dishwasher. The stick mixer set was created in collaboration with a Swiss design agency specialized in ergonomic design. All materials used are BPA-free and therefore also safe for preparing baby food. Choose convenience and quality and save space in the kitchen with this 3-in-1 stick mixer set. Enjoy your meal!